I cannot forget the times where we were together with Kuya Jun, a person whom I consider a father, a big brother, a friend, and a relative. When we were here in Metro Manila with Kuya Jun, we worked together, we eat together, and we drink together. Kuya Jun always give me the best advice if I'm down. He is person who is easily get along with. He is very kind to me and my family. Just a month ago, he sent 2 pairs of shoes and jewelry. Actually, a necklace. My wife and I was very happy. I thank the Lord for having one person like Kuya Jun, who is very generous. We received the blessings he shared to my family with pride. But sad to know that it was already for Kuya Jun to meet his Creator. I know that Kuya Jun was already with our Almighty, and I firmly believe that he is now happy because his mission on earth was already finished. My family and I don't want to say goodbye to him, but we would like to say thank you and good night.